Welcome back, it's your boy DJ Rick Up and Live, and this is the Up and Live show right here. We got the baddest female artist from the side of the UK. She's here on the Up and Live shows. Everybody's wondering about this girl right now. She's doing a lot of crazy things. We need to catch up with this girl right here. On set today live, we got Little Keish. Welcome to the Up and Live show.
Hello. Hello, everybody.
She's a bit shy.
No, man, I'm not shy. Don't do me that.
Are you not shy?
No, I'm not shy. Up and running, up and going.
That's the spirit I wanted out of you like that. But your name suits you.
Yeah.
Because when it says Little Keish, because I only seen you on Instagram and I've seen you on a couple of videos, and I'm like, Little Keish, that means she must be tiny then. Because the last person that said they were little, they were like this. So you're a tiny package, isn't it?
Yeah, very, very local. But you know the vice loud and it's still out there same way.
But you've been creating a buzz lately. You've been creating a crazy buzz lately.
Yeah.
Yeah. Because this is how you got to the show really. Because I've seen the buzz and I'm like, wow, who's this girl?
The bees.
This is a bee, she's just buzzing.
Yeah, all the time.
So for my viewers out there that's watching now and don't know Little Keish, can you just tell people who is Little Keish really?
Well, Little Keish is just an upcoming artist on the south side, and you know, I was there for those represent for the female them. I DJ all type of lyrics, good, bad, evil, wicked, everything with you know, just deal with it. DJ the girl them want hear and talk about the true life story and them something there. Yeah, some of the whole heap of things. The whole heap of people just feel say Little Keish is just one type of artist where just DJ slap lyrics, but my DJ I'm very versatile, more sing, more do everything. I don't know if I do it now, I gotta learn to do it, so yeah.
Okay. I like the spirit. She's saying that basically she does everything and you can't box her into any particular genre. She will do anything and she will make it happen. Because she has been making it happen recently. There's a particular thing that I want to speak to you about. There's this Instagram thing that's going around. A fellow DJ Chrome from Jamaica.
Yeah.
That is a freestyle thing where it's happening all over the world where everyone's uploading that 15-second video competition. But at the moment, guess who's leading people? It's Little Keish is leading actually.
Buddy! Better than Rambo.
Listen, I'm telling you because I'm watching the videos. I got quite a few friends challenged in the video as well. And they're doing well, but I'm like looking through everything and I'm seeing everyone's views. And I'm like, yeah, that's alright. But when I look at Little Keish views, I'm like, is something wrong with my phone or something?
I want that too. But before the good.
The phone is good, right?
Yeah.
Because I'm seeing the closest person to you was, I think, was 3,000 plays.
Okay.
And then I look at Little Keish when I saw 16,000 plays. I'm like, something's not right here. But something was actually right. She's doing that. What's different about you?
I don't know what. I don't know. I don't know what I do make the 16,000 views, but the people them just want to see me though. It look like it because when me sit down and think about it, I'm say, raw, me have 16,000 views and some people have like 3,000 views.
Yeah.
But it seems like say the people them just come on the page and I watch me then because if them don't watch everybody else for them views would have be like 16,000 as well as mine.
Yeah.
So I don't know. I just doing 15-second video like everybody else and I'm just myself. Nobody else can be Little Keish, so that's it.
Well, hopefully we actually I did click like and comment on your video as well because I want every artist that comes on my program, not only you, I want everyone to succeed and be successful in whatever they're doing. And I do hope that you win the challenge and you get the chance to record on such a big label. Maybe something good may come of it. You never know. Fingers crossed, Little Keish may win.
Fingers crossed.
Alright, let's get back to protocol, right?
Yeah.
You've been in the UK, have you been here all your life or you came here what?
No, I come here when I'm about 8 years old.
Okay, so you've been here quite a few times. And may I ask, how old are you now? Or you don't want to disclose that?
No, I'm 21. I turned 21 last month.
Okay.
Yeah, March.
So you've been here like 14 years?
Yeah, right.
That's quite. So you've been through school in here and everything?
Yeah, my Ramsey College.
Oh, that's lovely. So tell us, did you do music music in school, or have you just started music now?
Um, I did. More of them really do music in a school. Me never really take it serious when me did in a school. But me still I write me look lyrics. Cause me always I write me look one two things them. And then, but when I left school, when I left secondary school, I start like go a stage show and start trying to improve on things that we need to improve on.
Okay.
Yeah, and then them the time when I start take it serious and I record cool song and them stuff,
Yes.
they link up with people, start make my dream out me as it.
Yeah, but I can see you're very passionate about your music. Cause I watch you when you're doing your videos. I'm like, this girl is like into this thing. But how do you prepare for like a show? So you're going on a stage show. What do you do to get you in that zone?
Well, first of all, you have to practice. Cause practice become perfect. But my always just I just always tell myself say, yeah, I go up on the stage and just do my thing. Just be local Keish. I always just try to be myself. Cause some people look at me and say, you know, some don't like the little girl because but you can't change who you are because somebody said. You get what I mean? You can't do it else. You're not gonna be the person who you are, you see it. So I'm just try to do what me I do. I go up on stage and I go say such and so. I'm just do it, you know. Yeah, and you always have to put Father God first before you go up on your stage. You just say look for 1, 2, 5 because if I never forgot,
Nothing is possible. But I know with the female side of it in the UK, are you good with every female artist inside the UK, or you have grievances?
well, me not really have nothing with them,
Okay.
but yeah,
Yeah,
no,
you
me
say
not really, me not talk to them really and truly. We don't talk, but yeah, me not have nothing with them.
Okay. So is there any particular persons inside male and female, like in the music fraternity, that you would like to record a song with?
Yeah. Well, is it UK scene or?
It's all over. It's all over.
Well, I would like to record a song with probably Popcorn. Would I like write some song with Popcorn? But I have one heap of other artists who I love, but
Yeah.
since lately I listen one heap of Popcorn because I have one heap of like uplifting lyrics
Yeah.
where and things that kind of relate to my life.
Okay.
Yeah, and since I got Jamaica like January, I did meet him.
Yeah.
And he had like lots of like things to tell me like, about the music industry, and I just thought he was a really nice person. So
Okay.
yeah, Popcorn would be nice.
That would be something. So, is there any shows that you performed here before you can tell us about? Have you performed anywhere in the UK before?
Yeah, I perform up on yeah, well heap stage show, well heap you know, local party events and them something there. I performed in Gooders in the Go-Go Club.
Okay.
Well heap of things, well heap of something with the man.
So when a small person like you come out now on the stage now to the stage and everyone's looking like, what's this little girl doing on the stage? So what's the reaction do you get when you step on the stage?
Well, the girl them love me, you know, because they know some of us are going to talk my mind now, you know. So, you know what? Them ready for look at Keish, them ready for see what me I going to say, what me I going to do, and yeah,
Okay.
I think they look forward to seeing me.
Wicked. So is there any music that you done recently, you recorded?
Yeah, I've recorded a track called, I don't know if we can say it.
You can say it, man. We can say
Yeah,
whatever.
I've recorded a track called Fuck recently in
Is
Jamaica.
it that real?
Buddy, yeah.
I think it's called what? Let's rephrase it. It's called sex.
No man, I fuck man.
Okay.
F-U-C-K.
Because she said it, well, we didn't say it.
Yeah, but that is more like a dancing vibe song anyway, as you see it. And I've also recorded a song called In the Books as well. That one is more like on the reggae side of things.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you do a little bit of reggae as well as dancehall,
Yeah.
but you rather the dancehall side.
No, I not think I prefer one more than the other. I love it two of them. I not think I prefer figure slack that alone I love to sing or whatever. No. I enjoy writing my local reggae tunes and I enjoy do the slack one them same way. I not prefer one more than that.
Okay, so little Keish, she's on the stage today, and hopefully she has the new song with a specific title to it, which I will not repeat. Hopefully she can give us a snip preview right here on stage. But before we go, can you tell people to find Little Keish and Little Keish music? How do you find your music?
Well, you can go on YouTube and type in Local Keish, Lilkeish. You can find me on Instagram, Lil_Keish Music, Twitter, CMLIL Keish. Yeah.
Yeah, so there you go. Make sure you go and search for Little Keish is the name. Instagram, all social media. And I probably think you're on Snapchat as well.
Yeah, but that look personal. Don't use it now play for Snapchat. They don't have view and watch and do something.
Okay. Alright, so stick and stay, don't move. Little Keish gonna be on set right here doing that special title song right here. Up in live show. Stick and
Yeah.
stay.